war means destruction and death. But is that all? War also comes with an enormous financial burden. The cost of waging war might be beyond your imagination. This video is for those who support war, whether knowingly or unknowingly. In today's world, wars are not just about human lives, they are extremely expensive. The first major expense is fighter jets, with top models including the US F-35, Russia's Su-57, France's Rafale, and China's J-20. An F-35 fighter jet costs $80 to $100 million. The Su-57 Felon is priced at $50 million. The Rafale costs around $150 million. For J-20, you need to spend approximately $110 million US. And these are just purchase costs. Maintenance, upgrades, training, and missiles add even more expenses. For example, flying an F-35 for 1 hour costs $42,000. In a large-scale airstrike, 10 fighter jets flying for 3 hours would cost around $1,260,000, excluding missiles and bombs. Now, let's examine ground warfare costs. Modern tanks include the US M1 Abrams, priced at $8 to $10 million, Russia's T-14, at $5 to $9 million, and Germany's Leopard 2, at $7 to $9 million. Each tank shell costs $8,000 to $10,000, meaning firing just one shell burns $8,000. A full tank division deployed would consume millions of dollars daily in fuel, maintenance, and ammunition. But missiles and smart weapons are the most expensive war expenses. A Tomahawk cruise missile costs $2 million. A Javelin anti-tank missile is $78,000, and an S-400 air defense missile costs $10 million. Once a missile is launched, the money is gone, whether it hits the target or not. Drones have become essential in modern warfare. Turkey's Bayraktar drone costs over $5 million. Apart from these, there are cost of guns and bullets. And these weapons are not used in small numbers. Thousands are deployed daily on battlefields. But war isn't just about weapons. It also relies on vast manpower and logistical support. Each soldier requires food, clothing, communication systems, and medical care, all of which add up to significant expenses. And if a war drags on for years, its financial burden can become unimaginable. To help visualize this, here are some real-world examples. In 2003, the Iraq War cost the US $720 million per day, with total war expenses exceeding $2.1 trillion. After factoring in post-war costs like medical treatments and pensions, the total surpassed $3 trillion. Similarly, in the Russia-Ukraine War, in just the first year, U.S. war spending reached $75 billion, including $46 billion in military aid. Ukraine spends between $200 to $250 million per day. Behind every story of victory or defeat, there lies trillions of dollars in spending. And these costs extend beyond weapons to human suffering. So, ask yourself, does war truly solve problems? Or does it only leave behind emptiness, destruction, and irreversible loss?